everyone, thank you for joining me once again with another unboxing of the Planner Society sub box. Now I already took it out the box, so I laid it out so I can remember to tell you guys what I subscribe to, which is first the washi tape, which is in here, the Sticker Society stickers, the Box Sticker Society stickers, and the Planner Society kit. So let me put these to the side and let's start off with the washi. Remember always to save your bags because you can use this as a little pocket in a tin. Very cute. So this time we got, in addition to the washi that comes in the kit, we received 4 a thick one, a 15 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and that looks like a 5 millimeter. If you guys can see that, I'm not sure if the glare is too much, but very cute washi. I really enjoyed the colors this time, and I like the way how she puts a little sparkle, a little foil in it. Okay, the next one will be the Sticker Society stickers, and I try to slowly open them so I won't tear the bags up. Sometimes I fail. So the foil this time is like a copper color. Bow headers, days of the week, the months, trackers, flags, bows, more headers, checklists, a variety of checklists, bows, checklist flags, the little circles, more headers, and more flags. And we can use these as checklists also. Very pretty, very nice colors for the... Now let me know, did spring end? Are we in the summer? It sure does feel like the summer. It's humid today. It's hot in California. Okay, so the next box will be, not the next box, the next part will be the box stickers. And let me open those up. It feels like a different paper this time. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just me. Half boxes, quarter boxes, washi strips. Full boxes with some checklist at the bottom. Headers, habit trackers, to do today, and more days of the week. Okay. And now for the major part. Let's see what all goodies we have in here. Ooh. I just found out that she gave us this little pencil bag, and I think it's so cute. I just purchased one to store all my pens in, so this one comes as a very welcome surprise. First, let's open it here. So it has 2 compartments, 3 compartments. The one big compartment and 2 little ones on the inside. Then here we have an opening which we can access from the inside, or we can open it from the outside and store our pins, small scissors, a couple of washi tape in there. And it has a little handle. Very cute. Very nice. The next is the pen. Gel pen, I'm sure. Very cute. In every little part of this box, I noticed that she has a lot of greens, mint green, aqua, or teal. We have a Planner Girl paper clip. We have the, what does she call these? Are they, did she call them headers? I forgot what she calls them. Nonetheless, here we go. Month, today, week, notes, list, month, today. I have yet to use these because I feel that they're so pretty that I hoard them and I don't use them. But, you know, that's what they're here for. So I think I'm going to use them this month. Make some dashboards to use them with. The next is bookmarks and washi cards. This is so pretty. She's been having a lot of sales, and I recently bought some washi cards and bookmarks. Little did I know that we were going to get more. But more the merrier, right? You can always put washi on this and give them as a gift to a friend, or if you're like me and have multiple planners, you know, put some in each one. And here's the washi that comes with the kit. I think that one's my favorite one. Then we have the die cuts. Now I'm not going to go through each and every one, but we will go through some. This is the backer card. It says, "Today will never come again. Enjoy every moment." That's so very true. Home is where your story begins. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. I love that one. Be your own kind of beautiful. Sandals, flowers. I have one of these in my coffee area. Book, scissors, a dress, 2 dresses. Uh-oh, they're gonna fall. Flowers. Again, I'm not gonna go through all of them because it'll just make this too long. So yeah, the weather has been humid. It's been very warm, and I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to me, it kind of like slows me down. It makes me kind of, I don't know, gloomy. Oh, why am I opening these? These don't need to be open. Page flags. Checklist, meal plan, blessed, be kind, butterfly. These are so cute. Then we have the adhesive pockets. And I had to turn off the fan because I didn't want it to be too loud for you guys. Here's the green one. Here's like the secretarial pocket one. Look at this one. This one's so pretty. I guess that's the main print possibly. I'm not sure, but it's the one that I'm attracted to the most in this box. It's very pretty. Uh-oh. The tissue got stuck. I think I was putting it back in the package. Okay, let's put that there. Here's the stickers that come within the box, which is like the deco stickers. So I got up today, did some chores. Got up really early. I got up at 6. And it didn't seem like it was going to be a hot day. But then again, I hadn't opened the doors. I hadn't opened the curtains. Then when I noticed that it was going to be a hot day, I'm like, I'm glad I woke up early and did what I could do when it wasn't that hot yet. I'm having trouble opening these. Farmhouse vibe stickers. Very pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, look, you can use these as trackers too, right? Let me see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. That's different. The wreath that says hello. That would be a cute die cut if we had it. I'm not sure if we do. And the next is the tabs. They come with words that you can stick on them. Like, let's see. I know one says bills or budget. Fitness. Fitness, school, passwords, notes, work, must do, Christmas, holiday, weekend, Sunday. It has a plethora of words that you can choose from. And here are the tabs, which are sticker paper tabs. You just peel them off and stick them on wherever you like. And now, oh look, one of my die cuts. For the paper, what I've been missing is the lace paper that she usually has. She hasn't been including it in these. Okay, I'm having trouble opening this. I'm not having too much trouble. I just think feel like I'm going in slow motion because of this heat. I'm not a summer girl. I like it when I just don't like the heat. And the summertime is when I'm most stay inside the house with the air conditioner. Okay, so let's look at these papers. If I can get them out. There we go. So we have that one. And that's the back to that one. We have this one. And this is the back to that one. Ooh, and we have this pretty vellum. The dotted acetate. Copper. The other side silver. You know, if you want to change it up a little bit, use either side that more makes you happy. Green. And this is the other side to that one. So if you're interested in this box, I will leave a link down in the description section. If not, I'll just leave her website. She'll be gone this week because I'm not sure if she's going to go on vacation, but she did say that they'll be back Sunday and they'll reopen the store on Sunday. So if you guys enjoyed this box or would like for me to create something with this box, please leave it in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you like to see more videos like these. I subscribe to many boxes. This is just one out of, I think, about 4 or 5 sub boxes that I subscribe to. But thank you for coming, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.